Wait, what does the train do?
It goes by.
And what does it sound like?
It goes quick, quick, quick. It goes quick, quick, quick. It goes quick, quick, quick. The train goes, hurry, hurry.
What does the conductor say?
It's going caboose.
The conductor doesn't go in the caboose. Where does the conductor go?
Happy Thanksgiving!
The engine.
You're right, he goes in the engine, he drives the engine. Good job.
What does the conductor say?
Does he have a penny?
Does he have a penny? You'll have to ask one when you see him.
It's tough times. Hey, do you have a penny?
I do have a penny, actually.
Okay, time to get up.
Here, I have a penny for you.
I hear Logan.
Here he is.
Here's a penny
Here
for
comes Jama. Happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you.
you. Here, Logan. Here's a penny.
Hi.
She needs that.
A whole penny for me? Wow. Did you have a good sleep? Oh, I love your new.
No.